show you what we did this week in class. So we do our basic to the leader's left. 1, 2, 3. Lift on the floor. Turn your partner. 5, 6, 7, 8. Men are going to turn, dropping their hand at their stomach. So 1, 2, 3, right to right, 4. Bring this hand to the lady's shoulders. Pull 5, wrap 6, 7, 8. Getting the free hand. Switch sides on. 1, 2, 3. Tap 4. Switch again. 6, 7, 8. Lift the left hand to come out on 1, 2, 3, 4. Throw the arms up. 5, 6, 7. Waist stay. Turn the lady that way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic. 5, 6, 7. Basic and cross body. 2, 3. Change sides. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stepping forward with our arm circle. 1, 2. Back 3, 4. Cross body. Change sides. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. Basic. And you're done. But that's everything for this week. So remember to subscribe to this channel so you can get more videos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you next Sunday in class. Bye everyone.